Hi everyone, this is Kim from Affordably Crafty, and today I have a deal alert. YarnFactoryOutlet.com, otherwise known as a Spinrite factory, is having a blowout sale right now. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Kim, and my channel is all about learning how to stretch your craft dollar and be affordably crafty. Please like, share, and subscribe. Also follow me on Instagram and join my Facebook group. Also currently I have a 60 skein yarn giveaway open until October 10th, 2020, when I will be drawing the winner on my first live ever at 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Best of luck to all who entered. All right, now let's get into this deal. So they are having a truckload sale at the Yarn Factory Outlet. And if you have not ordered from them before, you need to email them at info@yarnfactoryoutlet.com, or you can call them at their toll-free number. And yes, they're in Ontario, Canada. Generally, the shipping is not that bad as far as time and stuff. All right, truckload sale. First thing we have is Bernat Blissful. It is 3 balls per bag at $3.99. It's 100% polyester, 106 yards. It's a super bulky 6, and this sale runs from October 5th to 10th while supplies last. So I had gotten some of this Bernat Blissful in Inky Teal, which is this one here, in the spring sale, and it is actually pretty soft. It is kind of like little tiny balls on the darker color yarn. This one looks like it might be different. I'm not sure what's going on with this misty one, but these ones all look like they're the same as the one that I got. It's very soft. So that is the first one. Then there's Bernat Boa. $2 for 3 balls. So that's less than $1 a ball. It's 100% polyester. 129 yards or 118 meters, gauge 5 bulky, and it is like a fun yarn. So it's in Fa La La, which is like a Christmas color, pink poodle, and holly green. And that's less than $1 a ball. Then there's a Karen Simply Soft for $4 for 3 balls, and this is the 315 yard or 288 meter ball. 100% acrylic, gauge 4, and it's super duper, which to me comes off as this like neon yellow, like almost a highlighter color. I don't know what you guys think. Comes off as kind of a highlighter color. So that is the one Karen color they have. Then there's some Patons Classic Wool for $17. It's 100% wool, 5 balls per bag. It's 3.5 ounces, 192 meters, or 210 yards. It's a 4 worsted weight. And the colors Blush, which is like 3 different colors of pink together, Pretty in Pink, and Emerald. You guys know me, I'd go for the Emerald over the pinkies. Then there's Patons Misty, $11 for 6 balls. So that's less. That's a little bit more than $1 per ball. I'm sorry, bad math. That's a little bit less than $2 per ball. Oh, the maths. So this one is 48% acrylic, 32% nylon, 10% wool, and 10% mohair. 131 meters and 143 yards, number 5 bulky. So this one I actually did also get at the spring tent sale. I don't remember what I paid for it. It is not the softest yarn. I'll be honest with you, I haven't used it yet. But it is a pretty color. So that's Spring Meadow. Then there's Patons Uplands. It's $8 for 6 balls. 50% wool and 50% acrylic. 5 bulky. So this appears to be a roving style yarn, because as you can see here, it goes from thick to thin. And there's 2 colors, Dark Moors and Goldstone. So this looks intriguing to me. Love me some roving yarn plus some wool. Then the next thing, Fentex slipper yarn. So if nobody has ever used this before, Fentex kind of semi-specializes in slipper yarn, which it holds up better in a slipper. It doesn't break down as fast, and it doesn't stretch as much. There's 3 balls per bag. It's 100% olefin, whatever that is. 150 meters and 164 yards, and it's a 4 weight. And it is neon orange. This is not doing it justice. It is neon. Only one color in the Fentex slipper yarn. Then there's some tent sail chunky, $3 per ball. And it is 717 yards, or 656 meters. It's a 5 bulky, 100% acrylic, and it is in the color gold. Just the one color, tent sail chunky. Then there's tent sail worsted, $5 for 3 balls per bag. And this one is 100% acrylic, 389 meters, or 426 yards. And it's a 4 weight worsted. I also got this one at the spring sale, actually in the color walnut. And it is actually decently soft for a value brand acrylic. This one I'm going to be working on making some gingerbread amigurumis for my kids and my niece, which I hope come out good. We'll see, I gotta find a pattern still. Then there's cinnamon, Celeste mix, which is blue, and true green. So 4 colors in that one. Then there's Zumba, which I have never heard of before. It's $3 for 3 balls, so $1 a ball. 100% acrylic, a 6 super bulky, 104 meters, 114 yards, in the color Lightning. Has anybody heard of this Zumba yarn before? Please let me know in the comments down below. And that is the Truckload sale. Remember, it closes on October 10th. They're only open certain hours. So yeah, please like, share, and subscribe so your friends can learn to be affordably crafty too. If you're interested, please enter my 60 skein yarn giveaway that's open until the 10th, and I will be announcing the winner and drawing the winner on my first ever live on October 10th at 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Hope to see you guys there. Have a creative day. Bye.